Working on the split screen. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I welded in that bit of tube there for it's the bit of tube that connects to the heater pod, that then connects to a pipe that connects to the heat exchanger. So then I sort of cure rusted and grinded down any rust and painted and cure rusted and wax oiled the area of the pod. The pod's missing at the moment. I need a pod. So there's where it connects to the tube. So I was actually happily surprised that it had less rust than I thought it was going to have. I thought it was going to be all rotten, but it wasn't. Thanks a lot.